On the 6th of November 1931, New South Wales, boasting the services of wonder batsman Don Bradman, was scheduled to play home-side Queensland at Brisbane's Woolloongabba ground. The New South Wales team was plunged into a state of shock before the match after seeing their teammate Archie Jackson collapse on the Gabba dressing room floor, coughing up blood. Suspected to be the flu, it turned out to be a fatal case of tuberculosis. But on a spiteful Gabba pitch, the New South Wales bowlers were able to dismiss Queensland for only 109 runs in their first innings. Opening for New South Wales was Wendell Bill and Archie Jackson's replacement, Jack Fingleton. Queensland's lightning-fast bowler, Eddie Gilbert, was thrown the ball for what would become one of the fastest and most hostile overs in the history of Australian cricket. The ball kicks up off the pitch at Wendell Bill, short of a length. Surprised by the pace and bounce, he half ducks and half fends at the ball, edging it to debutant wicketkeeper Len Waterman. The score, 1-0. Don Bradman strides to the crease to face his first ball from Eddie Gilbert. It's a good length ball and fast, which Bradman blocks. Gilbert delivers the bouncer, which Bradman tries to get under. It hits the peak of his cap on its way through to the keeper. Bradman falls, sprawled across the crease. The crowd is amazed by the spectacle of Bradman being clearly unsettled by the pace of the local bowler. Sensing Bradman's discomfort, Gilbert bowls another bouncer that flies over the batsman's head. Another short ball sees Bradman attempting a hook. Off balance and mistiming, the bat is knocked out of his hands as he edges the ball short of third slip. Bradman would later say that this was the fastest ball he ever faced. Gilbert delivers another bouncer, which Bradman, again attempting to hook, mistimes. The ball catches the edge and lands in Len Waterman's gloves. Gilbert throws his hands in the air in jubilation. New South Wales is 2-0. Bradman, 0. Just his third duck in first-class cricket. New South Wales captain Alan Kippax arrives at the crease and survives the remaining 2 balls of Gilbert's 8-ball over, but he soon becomes a victim of pace, retiring hurt after being hit in the head by Queensland quick Hugh Thurlow. Kippax would be admitted to the same Brisbane hospital as Archie Jackson. Eddie Gilbert took 4 wickets for 74, but a fight back by the visitors would see New South Wales win by an innings and 238 runs. It wouldn't be the end of the Gilbert-Bradman rivalry, however, with Gilbert taking Bradman's wicket again 5 years later in 1936. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.